Hello and welcome to the Vocabulary and Literacy Strategies Training. I am Miss Bernard. I'm the Program Director for Middle School Science. I'm glad to have you in this course. First thing I would like you to do is to develop your own word wall for this course and actually for your science PD as you progress through your PD during the school year. This is one strategy I use with students where they were able to add their words to their word walls as they learn them. In the printable materials, you'll find two sheets that are one is A through L, the other is M through Z. And what the students do is, as they learn new words, they put only the word on their word wall. But in their interactive notebook, they should have the word, the definition, and a non-linguistic representation or illustration of the word and what it means. So when they're studying, they can look at the word in their word wall and say what they remember about the word. Then check back on the correct page in their interactive notebook to see if they got it right. So on this page with the interactive word wall, they should put the word and also the page number in their interactive notebook. So that'll be your first strategy that we will be looking at. And but as we go through here, we're going to add words to our word walls. Of course, I made this one. It's blank right now, but we're going to add to the word wall as we go from project to project. In this first part of the 7E cycle, we're going to look at elicit. And it's where we're going to bring up your prior knowledge or your expectations, your general, what you believe about um, about science and literacy. um, in Aldine ISD, we actually use the 5E lesson cycle. However, the National Science Foundation actually suggests using a 7E cycle. But we're going to stick with the 5Es. But I do want you to be aware of the 7E cycle. So I'm going to demonstrate that here. And each of the folders will be labeled based on the 7Es and explain what each individual E is and how it would look in the science classroom. So here in this first E, which is elicit, we want to elicit our prior knowledge. So I'm just have a discussion in this section. I would like for you to discuss the questions that I've provided for you. Um, you have to respond before you can see what anyone else has put in. So you put your discussion and then try to respond to two or three people so that we can actually have an actual discussion because the discourse will help us to learn. So I'll see you further into the training and I'll be responding in the discussion post as well.